Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Ellie, would you mind taking the tires over to the rescue center? And I'll take Mr. Musty to Spooky's.
It was through St. Louis, a Chaplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
Hi, Max.
Hurry!
Don't worry, Max. See? We're going to get you out.
Maker, let's go! You're on!
My friend Guido, he dreamed to be the real race car. A pit stop.
Pit stop?
Well, that's how I used to feel when I was driving for the Lower Belleville County Unified School District.
Have to fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up?
The best birthday present an engine could ask for. I wonder what I should wish for next. Oh.
What?
Ready, bud?
Ready?
All right, Dan. Get her done.
According to the forecast, 100% chance of thunder. Gazooga.
Your next stop is the hospital. Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Dari will be disappointed again. I have to ask some other cars.
Defendant has no lawyer. The court will assign one to him. Hey! Anyone want to be...
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will be.
Taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, doesn't agree with my tank.
We're just trying to find the understand.
Here is.
It's black pavement, these yellow lines.
Road like this in years.
Well, then let's cruise, baby.
Low and slow.
Oh, Stanley. I wish you could see this.
Here we go, everyone. La, 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 la.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya oí suficiente. Y fuera. What occurred today? Lightning McQueen is dead.
Of course. All in all,
When you're feeling lonely, lost and let down. Excuse me, pardon me, coming through. Good to see you. My bad. Hey, Ricky, how's the kid? What's your hood?
civilized. We got company. Hey.
Why are we
You just gave up the piston cup. You know that?
This grumpy old race car I know once told me.
take my way? That's the highway, that's
Living life in the fast lane.
Oh, you were you? Were you rich?
How come the only one celebrating is me, huh? Where are the girls? Bring on the confetti!
Strategia. Francesco needs no strategy. It's a very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen.
Sterling, why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.